Tommy's getting us started off with misdiagnosis. So if your doctor misdiagnoses something, is that still a medical malpractice kind of case?
So the litmus test for medical malpractice, whether it's failure to diagnose or misdiagnose or made a mistake in surgery or whatever, is this. There had to be a physician-patient relationship. Okay. That's element one. Two, the doctor must have breached the standard of care, and you have to have another doctor who is similarly situated. In other words, if it's a general surgeon, you have to have a general surgeon. If it's an OB/GYN, you have to have an OB/GYN. Come and testify that the doctor failed to meet the standard of care in either the diagnosis or failing to diagnose or the surgical method or whatever. Failed to meet the standard of care, that means making an F, not a D minus.
Okay.
And it has to be a doctor just like him. And in conjunctive terms, you have to prove that that failure to meet the standard of care caused, to a reasonable degree of medical probability, the injury, damage, death, whatever.
Okay.
So they're tough cases because of they changed the law in the mid-'80s to require a fellow doctor to come and say in the same area that the doctor violated the standard of care. And you have to do it by clear and convincing evidence, which is a higher standard of proof than a preponderance of the evidence, which is every other civil case, car wreck, whatever. So
that makes for a tough
we
case,
handle those. We're one of two firms in North Alabama that do it, and we've had good success. The average rate of winning a filed medical malpractice case over the years is 9%.
You're kidding.
No, nine is in one less than 10.
Wow.
And we boast somewhere close to 70% of either settled or won. But we screen them very closely because we know what we have to prove, and we're proud of what we've done over the years. And we don't go after, people go, go after a doctor with a frivolous lawsuit. It costs $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, and we pay it to put on a medical malpractice case. So,
and we love our doctors. Good doctors, we count on good doctors.
And we don't touch good doctors. It's got to be pretty flagrant. Like a nursing home case is a malpractice case. Pharmacy error, where they're supposed to give you pill A and they give you pill B, and instead of it helping you, it kills you. We do a lot of those, and we do. We had a scissorectomy case where they leave not a sponge in you, but a pair of scissors, and they have to go.
How do you forget that?
Who forgot the scissors? They show up nice on an X-ray.
I bet they do. That you can prove that one.
But they're human beings, and they make mistakes like everybody else.
So if you have a medical malpractice case, get in touch with Senior Timberlake and